Hey guys, now in this video I'm going to show you how you can find and install the right Shopify app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now to get your Shopify shopping app, you need to look for this app either through Google Play Store, that is if you're on Android smartphone, and if you're on iPhone, you should look for an app called App Store. So for my case, I'll go to Google Play Store, but first I'll uninstall the app so that I can show you how to get the right one. Now that I no longer have the app, I'll go to Google Play Store here and then log in with my Gmail before I can search for the app by name. So I'll just search for Shopify and I'll run the search. And here you can see we have our app. So tap on it to see details. Make sure it is from Shopify Inc. That is Shopify Incorporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.3 with over 65,000 reviews. Currently, the app has been downloaded over 10 million times. And the average file size is 64 MBs. So these details might have changed by the time you are watching this. And the tagline is sell online, stroke in person. So if you see these details, you have the right app. Now it's time to install. Tap on install to download the latest version of Shopify app, and then it will be installed on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, you can proceed and open it from here. Or if I go back now to my apps, I should be able to see your app here. Tap on it, and this is the welcoming interface. It has the logo of Shopify app. From here, now you can set up your account or log in if you already have one, start selling, or even make purchases. So that's how you can install the right Shopify app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.